Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change password in Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change password in Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. On left pane, click on More option. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, click on Your Account, and under Your Account, you will find an option Change Your Password. Click on Change Your Password and type your current password and then type new password and then type the confirm password and then click on Save. This is the easiest way to change password in Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.